As soon as you open Shastra, you're doing Vyasa Puja. Vedanta Krid Veda Vid Evachaham. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 15, verse 15. Krishna says, I'll give you everything, all knowledge, by this Shastra. Krishna, this is, we say, oh, pray, Krishna is praying Purushottam. So we're devotees, bhaktas. So our medium of exchange is prema, love, bhakti. It's coming from there to here. So much bhakti is coming from Bhagavan, so much prema is coming from Bhagavan to here. And he's just saying, Yeyetam mam prapadyante tam stateva bhajamyam mama vartante manusha parisarvadaha. He's saying, I'm giving you so much bhakti and so much prema. Itna bapas, no? Give me a little bit of love. You know, they sing, so give me a little bit of love in return. You know. He just wants a little bit of prema and love in return. This is the bhakti mark. This is Avaroha Panta. Avaroha Panta. Kripa karo, kripa karo. In Yoga Marg, it's Aroha Pant. Yoga Marg is Aroha Pant, Gyan Marg. And heavy, hard work. Brahmano hi pratishtaham. It's both difficult. High, city is there, perfection is there. Very difficult.